Welcome Shemstars. Welcome to the mathematics class. We will continue with the lesson 11, basic geometrical concepts. We will do activity 3 today. Question number 1. Which of the following are polygons? See students, polygon is a simple closed figure which is formed by 3 or more straight line segments. But in this here in figure 1, you can see here it is not a straight line, here it is a curve. So this is not a polygon. You will write no here. Second one, you can see 4 straight line segments, so it is a polygon. Third one, again it is a curve, so it is not a polygon. Fourth one, you can see 4 straight line segments, so it is a polygon. Fifth one, yes, you can see the straight line segments, so it is also a polygon. F part, it is a curve, so it is not a polygon. Okay students, like this you will do question number 1. Question number 2, write true or false for the following statements. Rewrite the false statements correctly. Students, here first you will write the statement and then you will write true or false in front of it. And if the statement is false, then you will write the correct statement also. First part, A part, a polygon with 4 sides is called a pentagon. This is false. Correct statement is a polygon with 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. B part, every square is a rectangle. It is true. C part, the adjacent sides of a quadrilateral have common vertex. It is true. D part, the diagonals of a square are unequal. It is false. Correct statement is the diagonal of a square are equal. You will write the correct statement also. E part, a triangle is a polygon. True. F part, all quadrilaterals are rectangles. This is false. Correct statement is all rectangles are quadrilaterals. G part, a hexagon has 6 sides. It is true. Question number 3. Draw a quadrilateral PQRS and name its sides, vertices, diagonals, opposite sides and adjacent sides. See, it is a quadrilateral PQRS. I have drawn a quadrilateral PQRS. You will draw a quadrilateral like this. Then first part is you have to name its sides. It has 4 sides. See, these are the 4 sides, PQ, QR, RS and SP. Then vertices, B part is vertices. It has 4 vertices, that is P, Q, R and S. It has 2 diagonals, PR and QS. D part, opposite sides. It has 2 pair of opposite sides. Here PQ is opposite to QR and PS is opposite to, PQ is opposite to SR and PS is opposite to QR. E part, adjacent sides. It has 4 pair of adjacent sides. Adjacent sides means 2 sides having the common vertex. So, if the common vertex is R, then the adjacent sides are SR and RQ. Now, the common vertex is Q, so adjacent sides are RQ and QP. Now, the common vertex is P, so adjacent sides are QP and PS. Now, common vertex is X, so adjacent sides are PS and SR. See students, you are starting with the SR and you are ending with the SR. Okay. Now, you will complete activity 3. No need to do question number 4. That's all for today. Thank you Shemstars. You can drop your queries on the Google Classroom.